Hi guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming this video today because I am unboxing another amazing sweet box from Fab Fit Fun. This is going to be their spring box. I was so happy with my last box I got back during Christmas that I just had to get the spring box. I don't know if I'll be getting the summer one yet, but I'll definitely be getting the fall 2019 box for sure. So I'm going to be unboxing it for you today and showing you guys everything that I got and giving my reviews and my opinions on the products and the whole box set itself. And by the way, Mom, if you're watching, you're probably not going to want to watch this because some of your birthday presents are in here. So please don't watch this until after your birthday, okay, Mom? Alright, anyway, so here is what the box looks like. As you can see, I am very color coordinated with this. It's pink, it's got bright yellow and teal green, such beautiful spring inspired colors. It makes me so happy just looking at this box. I get so excited just looking at this box with all the beautiful colors. As you can see right here, it also says in support of the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. Ian Somerhalder is one of my absolute favorite actors. I have the biggest crush on him right now, and I think his foundation that he and his wife Nikki Reed have created is absolutely incredible. It helps to make the world a better place. It helps to save animals. It promotes how to take care of our planet better, how to be a healthier person. It does all sorts of amazing things. He's just such an incredible person, and also not only a very hot actor, but a very incredible, such a giving, talented person. And so part of the proceeds of the box this spring, I believe, are going towards the Ian Somerhalder Foundation as well. So that just warms my heart and makes me very happy knowing that I'm supporting such a good cause by such an amazing person. So let's get opening the box and see what's inside, shall we? I'm trying really hard not to knock my tripod over with my iPad standing on top of it because I've got such a small itty-bitty table. So if the screen shakes a little bit, that's why. I do apologize. So first thing we've got inside this amazing box, the first thing you see is Fab Fit Fun magazine with Venus Williams, the famous tennis player, on the cover. And inside this magazine, we've got the products that's in your box. They're all different depending on what you have chosen to be put in your box, if you have the option to pick and choose the things you want. We've also got recipe tips in here, workout tips, beauty tips, lifestyle tips, and just how to live a fabulous, fit, fun life. The first thing we got in here, which I picked for my mom, you guys remember back during Christmas, I got the Fab Fit Fun box as a way to give my mom a Christmas present, so I put products in the box for both of us to split or share. And so this thing is one thing I picked for her, and it's the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. It's for dry brushing, and it's ideal for smoothing and softening the skin, and this is what it looks like. To stimulate circulation and to eliminate layers of dead skin, designed to exfoliate and smooth skin to improve overall appearance, and you use this in the shower. The next item we have in this box that I'm so excited about because I needed a new body scrub. It's the Manna Kadar Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and it looks so pretty. This rose gold packaging. I haven't opened it up yet, so I can't really smell it because it's all sealed, but it's champagne charcoal, so I assume it smells just like a champagne scent. And it says, detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal, balance, and moisturize skin. I'm not sure if you can use the brush with this too, or the brush is meant to use with nothing else and only to be used on its own. but I needed a new body scrub. I'm always using a scrub on my body, but I use a scrub on my legs when I am shaving because I exfoliate before I shave because I find it makes a better, closer, and smoother shave. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's OUAI Hair Care. OUAI? I think it's OUAI Hair Care, and it's their leave-in conditioner, and I use heat on my hair a lot. I'm gonna try to lay it off this summer, but when I do use heat on my hair, I have to use a good protectant leave-in conditioner to help keep those split ends at bay. It's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. And of course my hair gets tangled easily because it's naturally curly, so this is going to be perfect for that, and I can't wait to give this a try. It's another thing I also need because I just ran out of leave-in conditioner, so how awesome that I got this. Right, the next item I've got in here is this La Vida Inspired by Nature Aromantic Body Lotion, and it's for all skin types. It says hydrate, nourish, and protect, and it's got mandarin orange and bergamot in it, so it probably smells exactly like that. It's important to apply a good moisturizing lotion after you shave as well, so I think that will coordinate with the scrub that I have too. I'm definitely going to be giving to my mom. It's the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't have baggy eyes. I do have a little bit of dark circles, but they're not too overbearing, so this is definitely going to be something that my mom will really appreciate because she has a bit of bags going on, so she's going to be needing this. It's a necklace by the Two Bandits, designed with love in San Francisco. Oh, and it's this beautiful silver chained necklace, and it's got like this iridescent like pendant, rectangle pendant on it. It is so pretty. That is really, really lovely. I love you, Mom. And this next product I'm really excited about because I really needed a new pair of sunglasses because I had a nice pair of black sunglasses that almost looked just like this, but they were a little bit cheap and they were breaking. So even though it's not a bad idea to have cheap sunglasses and if you don't want to risk ruining a really good expensive pair of glasses and breaking them by accident, but I still really, really love these. So it came in a case like this, and it's from the brand Quay Australia. Cool. My brother is in Australia right now. That is awesome. So let's give these a try. Oh my god, so cute. I adore these. These are gonna be my go-to summer sunglasses, but these are still so cute. I can't wait to rock them this spring and summer. They are so, so, so sexy and cute. The final product that we got in here is this, and I'm so excited for this because I needed another one of these. This box is awesome. It's got so many things that I actually needed, and it's called, this brand is called Show Me Your Mama or Show Me Your Moo. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right or wrong, but this is a robe, and it's not like one of those thick comfy robes you wear in the winter. This is like one of those lightweight ones, and I really needed a new one because I had a lightweight one, but it's getting kind of old and it's got some paint spilt on it. This is great to wear when you're just getting out of the shower and like you still need to cover up, but it's too hot to put anything really thick on because then you just get more hot and more sweaty. So to help you cool off from the shower, you wear something more lightweight like this and until you're ready to get dressed, and then you're not boiling hot afterwards. And this is so cute. It's got pink roses all over it, and pink roses are my favorite flower, and oh, this is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so happy that I was able to get this. I actually chose to get this in my box because I really did need a new robe, so I'm very happy. This is so nice. I would have to say on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this box 8.5, I would guess, because everything, just about everything except maybe 2 or 3 products I know I'm actually going to use, but that's okay because I know that my mom will love the products that I will be giving her. And I love the beautiful the packaging and the design. It was really exciting, and I loved how I was able to get things. So this box was definitely very, very successful this spring. So definitely get the spring Fab Fit Fun box if you haven't yet, because it's worth it and it's really good. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Fab Fit Fun Spring 2019 box. I hope you have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like these. I do makeup tutorials, Disney related videos, more unboxings and product reviews. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!